Hi, I'm Ryan Cummings from R&R Law Group. Welcome to Your Brother at Law. Here, we break Arizona law in simple, straightforward terms. Whether you need tips or insights on legal processes, I'm here to make the law easier to understand. Let's dive in and make legal knowledge more accessible for everyone.
So today we're talking photo radar. We do have a very long video that we have that talks about photo radar. I think it's about 40 minutes long. Now that goes into a big, long, deep dive as to what photo radar is, where they're located, how to fight them, and the process that happens in very minute details. But let me give you the quick action overview. So photo radar happens when you either get flashed for doing 10 miles an hour, actually 11 miles an hour over the speed limit, or a red light. Either one of those tickets is going to cause the flash to go off, and then that's going to populate something that gets mailed to you. So what happens is when that happens, the court has 60 days to file that complaint. So if they get filed, if this happens on day one, they have any time between day one and day 60 to file the complaint with the court. That's where the complaint comes, and then the judge signs off on it. And there's a judge's signature on your complaint. Then they have 90 days in order to serve you with that. So if they wait 60 days to file the complaint, and then they wait almost 90 days in order to serve you, it's about 150 days that they have in order to do the whole process. So a lot of people ask me, how long do I have to wait? And I general answer is 150 days, because I don't know when the ticket gets filed or not. But if I tell people 120 days or 150 days, then that's a good general answer that's going to work. But if they file it, say on day 10, then they only have 90 days to serve you from there. So it's only 100 days. So a lot of it really depends on when you get, when that complaint gets filed with the court. And you'll be able to see on your ticket, it's right next to the judge's signature, and it'll have a date on there. And that's the date that it was filed. So if you're looking at your ticket, they have 90 days in order to serve you with that ticket in order for it to be a valid complaint. If they don't serve you, then it means that the case is dismissed. In Arizona, it's a civil complaint, and they have to personally serve you in order for the ticket to be valid. Now, some of the exceptions are if you waive service, and that would be like if you went on the website and clicked on the do DDS button or do a defensive driving button. If you do that, it's deemed to have waived service, and it's a lot harder to fight your ticket at that point in time, and you're just going to have to do defensive driving school, assuming you're eligible. The other way that you waive service is if you call the court and say, hey, I got these tickets in the mail, what do they mean? Well, that's going to tell the court that you did actually receive those tickets, and now they're going to deem that you have waived service. So you don't want to call the court. You don't want to do that. What you want to do really is make the state serve you. And if they don't serve you in that statutory timeline, then your case is going to be dismissed. Now, if they do end up serving you and you're defensive driving school eligible, most all the time you're able to still take defensive driving school, and what it's going to cost you is that additional service fee. Usually that's somewhere between $40 and $80. So the best action plan is just sit and do nothing, hope that you don't get served, and then your ticket's going to get dismissed. So again, this is our quick action guide as to what to do if you've got a photo radar. The 43-minute guide that we have, all of the information in there is still accurate. So if you want a deeper dive into this, go watch that video, and we wish you the best of luck.
Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. We'll see you in the next video.